Welcome to Ivy Green, a captivating estate where history and nature meet. Founded in 1750 by botanist James Willow, this 7-acre estate is more than just a garden. It's a living tribute to Willow's passion for ivy, with over 50 unique species on display. For centuries, Ivy Green has mesmerized visitors with its rich tapestry of greenery and intriguing stories. But there's more here than meets the eye. History buffs. Imagine walking the very paths James Willow once strolled, envisioning his dream of a botanical haven. Every inch of this estate reflects his dedication, from the ivy-covered trellises to the towering trees that have stood the test of time. Nature lovers, you'll be delighted by the variety of ivy species thriving here. Each corner of Ivy Green offers a new wonder, from lush carpets of English ivy to rare, exotic varieties. Even in winter, the estate stays vibrant, thanks to evergreen ivy that keeps the garden lush year-round. But Ivy Green is not without its mysteries. Local legend speaks of a mysterious figure dressed in ivy, seen wandering the grounds on moonlit nights. Could it be the spirit of James Willow himself, watching over his beloved creation? Sightings of this figure continued well into the 20th century, adding a touch of eerie charm to the estate's fascinating past. For those inspired by the beauty of ivy, but facing its unruly growth at home, our experts have tips. Regular pruning, strategic barriers, and careful herbicide use can help manage overgrowth, keeping your garden both beautiful and balanced. Planning your visit? Tickets are just $15 for adults, $7 for children aged 6 to 12, and free for little ones under 6. Your ticket gives you full access to the estate, including guided tours that explore Ivy Green's history and botanical wonders. So, whether you're a history enthusiast, nature lover, or simply looking for a day of peaceful exploration, Ivy Green welcomes you. Discover the beauty, the stories, and the mysteries that make this estate truly one of a kind.